Thank you for calling Pavilion Hotel. Good afternoon. This is Laurencian Alvarado speaking. How may I help you? Okay, sir. What date do you prefer? And for how many nights, sir? For how many packs, sir? Okay, sir. Let me just check the availability of our rooms for a while. Thank you for waiting, sir. Upon checking, we have available room on that date. We have standard room and deluxe room. For the standard room, it has a air condition, hot and cold shower, and a small balcony. And for the deluxe room, it has a air condition, hot and cold shower, kitchenette, vault for your valuable things, and a balcony. For the price, the standard room costs $2,500 and the deluxe room costs $4,500. What do you prefer, sir? Okay, sir. Let me process your reservation and I'll be asking some information. May I have your full name, please? May I have your contact number and email address? May I have your complete address? Sir, your name spells L for Lima, U for uniform, I for India, G for gold, I for India. Did I get the correct spelling of your name, sir? Okay, sir. Your reservation is recorded. Would you like to guarantee your reservation? Do you have any special request, sir? Thank you, sir. We are looking forward to serve you soon. Let me confirm the reservation details, sir. Your date of reservation is April 17. Your name is Luigi Nipales. Your address is Poblacion Mangaldan, Pangasinan. Your contact number is 0922223456. And your email address is luiginipales@gmail.com. Your arrival date is April 17. Departure date April 20. For 3 nights and for 2 packs. Your room is deluxe room. Your rate is $4,500. Did I get the correct details, sir?
Mabuhay! I'm Luigi Nipales from Base HM2C, Hospitality Management, student of Lyceum Northwestern University, and today I'll be doing a demonstration of handling guest registration.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Pavilion Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation today.
Give me a minute, sir. I'll just check the reservation details.
Okay, sure.
Mr. Alvarado, a deluxe room for 3 nights, right?
Yes, that's right.
Can I have your confirmation number and your valid ID, please?
Yeah, sure. My confirmation number is 017 and here's my valid ID.
Oh, great. So you are from Guam?
Yes, I'm currently residing at Guam.
I hope you had a good trip, sir. Alright, upon checking, we have a reservation under the name of Laurencian Alvarado, and you are staying here for 3 nights, from April 17 to April 20. And you requested a deluxe room. That's right, sir?
Yes, that's right.
Can you please sign our arrival list for today, sir?
Sure.
Can you please make sure that all information is correct before you sign at the bottom, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, here's your valid ID. And here's your key card. And your room number is 301. Just take that elevator, sir. Do you need help with your luggage, sir?
No, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your stay.